Every night, when our body prepares to rest, our eyes are often the most exhausted part of us. Throughout the day, we expose them to screens, harsh lights, dust, and endless work. This leaves them feeling dry, red, and strained. Many people complain that by the evening their eyes feel heavy and uncomfortable, and some even struggle with blurred vision or constant fatigue. But what if I told you there is a simple bedtime remedy that could help your eyes heal overnight and give them fresh strength by morning? A natural fruit that, if eaten before sleep, works like medicine for your eyes and even improves your sleep quality. In today's fast-paced world, vision problems have become common at every age. Children start wearing glasses in school, young adults rely on contact lenses, and older people often face cataracts, macular degeneration, or even vision loss. What we often forget is that eyesight is deeply connected to the food we eat. Just like every part of the body, our eyes need nutrients to stay strong. And when we provide them the right nutrition, especially at night, our body uses sleep to repair, restore, and protect the delicate tissues of the eyes. The most important nutrients for eyesight are vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, lutein, zeaxanthin, and antioxidants. All of these fight against the damage caused by screens, pollution, and aging. Among the many fruits that contain these nutrients, there is one that stands out as a bedtime powerhouse for the eyes, the kiwi fruit. Kiwi may look like a small, fuzzy fruit, but inside it contains an incredible amount of nutrition. It is especially rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and powerful plant compounds that directly support vision. Kiwi contains lutein and zeaxanthin, which act like natural sunglasses for your eyes. They filter out harmful blue light from screens and protect the retina from UV rays. Think about it. Every day we sit in front of phones, laptops, and televisions. The blue light coming from these devices quietly damages the sensitive cells of our eyes. Eating kiwi regularly helps create a protective shield against that damage. Now, here is the interesting part. When kiwi is eaten at bedtime, it becomes even more effective. Why? Because during the night, while we sleep, the body goes into repair mode. Cells that have been stressed or damaged throughout the day are restored. By eating kiwi before bed, you give your body the exact nutrients it needs at the perfect time. The antioxidants in kiwi become active overnight, reducing inflammation in the eyes and repairing the tissue damage caused by screen exposure, dryness, or fatigue. But kiwi doesn't stop there. Scientific studies have shown that eating kiwi before sleep actually improves sleep quality itself. People who eat kiwi in the evening fall asleep faster, sleep deeper, and wake up more refreshed. And we all know how strongly eye health depends on good sleep. Poor sleep leads to red, dry, irritated eyes in the morning, while deep sleep keeps the eyes hydrated, nourished, and glowing. So kiwi works in two ways at once, repairing the eyes directly and ensuring that sleep itself heals them more effectively. The high vitamin C in kiwi boosts collagen production, strengthening the tiny blood vessels in the eyes. This reduces the risk of age-related vision problems, including macular degeneration, which is one of the leading causes of blindness in older adults. Kiwi also contains vitamin E, which fights oxidative stress and free radicals that slowly harm eye cells. Together, these nutrients protect your eyes for the long run. How can you take this bedtime remedy? It's simple. About 1 hour before going to bed, eat 1 or 2 fresh kiwis. Peel them, slice them, and enjoy them as they are. If you want more flavor, you can combine them with a spoon of honey or a little yogurt for a light and healthy dessert. For those who prefer something creamy, blending kiwi into a bedtime smoothie with banana and yogurt is a delicious option. The key is to keep it natural without adding sugar or heavy cream. This way, you get the full benefit without harming your sleep or health. You may wonder how soon results will appear. Kiwi is not a magic pill. It doesn't transform your eyesight in one night. But when you make it part of your nightly routine, the benefits slowly build up. Within 2 weeks of regularly eating kiwi before bed, you may notice that your sleep is more restful and your eyes feel less dry and strained in the morning. After 2 or 3 months, the long-term benefits for vision become stronger, including sharper eyesight and reduced risk of age-related eye conditions. Of course, every body is different. Some people notice results faster, while others may take longer. But one thing is clear: kiwi has no harmful side effects. It is a natural fruit that supports not only the eyes but also your immune system, digestion, and skin health. Still, it's important to understand that eating kiwi alone will not solve every eye problem. Lifestyle plays a big role too. If you spend all day eating junk food, smoking, or staring at screens without rest, kiwi alone cannot undo all the damage. To truly protect your eyes, combine this bedtime remedy with healthier habits. Reduce late night screen time, drink plenty of water, eat more leafy greens and nuts, and give your eyes regular breaks. When you combine these habits with kiwi before bed, the results will be much more powerful. Another point to remember is the effect of blue light. Using phones or laptops just before sleep can cancel out many of the benefits of kiwi. Blue light not only damages eye cells but also confuses your brain, preventing you from falling asleep easily. That's why experts recommend staying away from screens at least 30 minutes before bed. If during that time you eat a kiwi instead, you replace a harmful habit with a healing one. Kiwi also contains serotonin, a hormone that calms the mind and helps regulate sleep. This is why people feel relaxed after eating kiwi at night. When your mind relaxes, your eye muscles also relax. And when the eyes get proper rest, they recover more deeply. Think of kiwi as a natural night treatment for your eyes. Just like we apply moisturizer to the skin before sleep, kiwi works internally to moisturize, protect, and heal the eyes from within. And the beauty is that it's all natural. No chemicals, no expensive treatments, just a simple fruit with powerful effects. When you commit to this habit, you are making an investment in your future. Protecting your eyesight is like putting money into a savings account. The small, consistent efforts you make today pay off years later when your eyes remain strong, sharp, and free from disease. Kiwi may look small, but the value it adds to your health is enormous. So tonight, as you prepare to sleep, put down your phone, turn off your laptop, and instead reach for a fresh kiwi. Let its sweet and tangy taste relax your body, while its nutrients quietly begin repairing your eyes. Make it part of your bedtime routine. Over time, you will notice the difference, not just in your eyesight, but in the way you sleep, wake up, and feel every morning. This bedtime fruit remedy is nature's gift for your eyes. Simple, powerful, and effective. Try it, stay consistent, and let kiwi show you what natural healing can really do.